यस। हेलो स्टूडेंट, देखिए हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है। हमने आपको करा था डिटर्मिनेंट्स और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में हमारा आता है एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द डिटर्मिनेंट्स। हम लोग जो है डिटर्मिनेंट्स की जो एप्लीकेशन है उसका कैसे यूज करेंगे, हमारे यहाँ सिलेबस में है टू फाइंड द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एरिया ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल आपने 10th क्लास से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं। इफ the coordinate of the vertices of a triangle are given, then we find the area of the triangle. Now, the area of the triangle ABC whose vertices are given, A vertex coordinate and B, and that is a C, is equal to this 1 by 2 x1 bracket y2 minus y1 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. Now we can express this as in the form of the determinant as, देखिए जरा, x1 और that is x2 और that is x3, जो हमारे कोऑर्डिनेट है x1 x2 x3, इससे हमने डिटरमिनेंट का फर्स्ट कॉलम लिखा that is y1 y2 और y3, इससे हमने सेकंड कॉलम लिखा 1 1 1 और that is C. Now if we expand this determinant, हम चेक करते हैं अगर हम इस डिटरमिनेंट को एक्सपेंड करें तो along to the first row, तो then we get x1 into y2 माइनस के आपका आ जाएगा इसमें y2 और माइनस के y3, that is y2 माइनस y3। चेक करते हैं y2 माइनस y3 और माइनस यहाँ पर आपका आ जाएगा एक्सपेंड अलोंग टू द फर्स्ट कॉलम। फर्स्ट कॉलम के अलोंग, क्योंकि यहाँ पर ये x1 है, that is x2 है और that is x3 है, तो we expand this determinant along to the first column, तो that is x1 और y2 minus y1, x2, that is फर्स्ट कॉलम और सेकंड रो को अगर हम देखें तो y1 और माइनस के y3, बट द पोजिशन ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट इज 2 1, तो एक माइनस हमारा यहाँ पर आएगा और x3 और दैट इज फर्स्ट कॉलम और थर्ड रो, तो दैट इज y1 और भाई माइनस के y2, तो हियर वी फाइंड the both this and this are same, so therefore we can also calculate the area of a triangle is by using the determinants. Now यहाँ पर जो area of triangle is always a positive numbers, but we know that the value of the determinant may be negative or may be positive, so therefore here we can we write the answer area of a triangle is the absolute value of the determinant. Now number 1 area of the triangle, number 2 if the area of triangle is equal to 0, so this implies that we get that is x1 or y1 or 1 or that is x2 और x3 y2 y3 1 1, this is equal to 0, और this implies that यहाँ से अगर एरिया ट्राइंगल आपका 0 हो जाएगा, तो अगर हम लोग देखें तो that is area of triangle will be 0 and this point A आपका लाई कर जाएगा BC लाइन पर, that is the point A यहाँ से आपका आ जाएगा there, तो in this case all the 3 points are called the collinear. If the area of the triangle is equal to 0, so then we find the then we write the point, the vertex, the points A, B and C are collinear, so therefore the condition of the collinearity, अगर हम लोग चेक करें कि what is the condition of the collinearity of 3 points, we find the, we evaluate the value of this determinant, if the value of this determinant should be equal to 0, then we say these 3 points are collinear. But if the value of this determinant not equal to 0, then we say that the value these 3 points are non-collinear. Now we find the area of a triangle whose vertices are given. Now क्वेश्चन देखते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पर. Yes, to find the question number 1 है to find the area of a triangle whose vertices are given as -2, that is -3, 3, 2 and -1 or -8. देखिए, we know that solution, हम जानते हैं area of a triangle is equal to 1/2. Value of the determinant is x1, x2 or that is x3, y1, y2 or that is y3, or 1 or 1. So this is equal to 1/2. Here the x coordinate -2 or that is -2, 3, -1, -3, 2 or that is -8, 1 or 1. Now we evaluate the value of this determinant as expanded along the first row. -2 into 2 1 ja -2 or that is 1, 1, 1. 2 1 ja 2 or minus plus 8, that is 2 plus 8 or plus 3 into 3 1 ja 3 or plus 1 or that is plus 1 minus 24 or plus 2. This is equal to 1/2, 8 to the 10 or minus 20 or that is 3 or 1 4 plus 12 or that is minus 22. अगर हम यहाँ देखें, this is minus k42 or area of triangle is equal to 1/2 or minus 42 or plus k12 or this is equal to 1/2 minus 30 is equal to minus 15. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to mod of minus 15 is equal to 15 square unit. Always remember the value of this determinant may be negative or positive, but we always write the area of the triangle that is absolute value or because it is always positive. Yes, find the value of k if the area of triangle is given or that is 4 square unit and also vertices are given. देखिए, we know that अगर हम लोग देखें इसको, area of triangle should be equal to 4 square units. So we know that the formula of the area of triangle is x1, x2, x3, y1 or y2 or that is y3, 1, 1. Here we take that is mode or area of triangle will be as a plus or minus. Or this implies that we put the value of x1, x2 and x3 -2 0, that is 0, और 0 4 और that is k 1 1 is equal to plus minus 4. Or now we determine the value of the this determinant expanded along. अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो expanded along to the first column, so that is -2 into that is first row or first column, or that is 4 or minus k, or that is -0 into something 0, or -0 into something 0, or this is equal to plus minus 4, or that is -8 or plus 2k is equal to plus minus 4, or that is 2k is equal to 2k is equal to plus minus 4 or plus 8, or that is k is equal to 12, or k is equal to 4, or 12 by 2, or that is 4 by 2. So this is k is equal to 6, or k is equal to 2. This is the value of the k. So this is the also application of the determinant. Yes, so that these 3 points are given with their vertices, so that these 3 points are collinear, that it means lie on a straight line. Solution देखिए, these points are lies on a line, so therefore we find the area of the triangle. If the area of triangle will be 0, then you say that these 3 points are lies on a line. So therefore area of triangle ABC should be equal to, evaluate with the help of the determinant, that is x1a, that is b, or that is c, or that is say b plus c, that is c plus a, or that is a plus b, or that is 1 1. देखिए यहाँ पर हमने इसमें प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द डिटरमिनेंट का अगर हम थोड़ा सा यूज करें तो हियर इफ यू राइट C2 tends to C2 plus C1, that is the property of the determinants. हमने यहाँ पे अप्लाई किए थे बच्चों, हमने C2 कॉलम के एलिमेंट्स को C1 कॉलम के साथ ऐड किया, तो ऐसा करने से हमें क्या रिजल्ट मिलेगा, ए बी सी, दैट इज ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, और ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, और दैट इज 1 1. ऐसा करने से जो सेकंड कॉलम है इसके सारे एलिमेंट्स आपके इक्वल आ गए, और हम यहां से कॉमन ले जाएं ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, सेकंड कॉलम से हमने ए बी और सी 1 1 और 1 1 कॉमन निकाल दिया, यानी कि ऑपरेशन हमने किया है that is C2 tends to C2 upon A plus B plus C. So here we can, because the second column के elements और third column के elements are same, identical हैं, तो therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. 0 क्यों लिखेंगे? If the any two rows or any two columns has the same element, then the value of the determinant is always 0. Or because area of triangle is 0, so therefore the given points A, B and C are collinear. तो हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि जो दिए हुए में तीनों पॉइंट्स हैं दे आर कोलिनियर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी सी. Yes, next application. Here we want to find the equation of a line segment or a line passing through the given 2 point. You read this problem in the 11th class to find the equation of a straight line passing through the given 2 points. Now, this line we find by using only the determinant. देखिए हम कैसे पाएंगे? There are the 2 points. Let हमने P X Y be any point, any arbitrary point, be any arbitrary point, कहीं पर भी हम लिख सकते हैं that is a variable point, any arbitrary point lies on the line joining the point one, two, and 3, 6. That is, you say this is the line. If we take that is any line, or this is the point is 1, or that is 2, or this point is 3 or 6. Let us take P, X, Y is any point. So then, therefore the point P, A and B are collinear, or therefore area of triangle should be equal to 0. Or what is the area of triangle? That is, we write again the formula, that is x coordinate x1 or 3 and y, or that is 2 or 6, 1, 1 is equal to 0. Now, expand this determinant along to the first row, that is x or 2 minus 6 minus y, or that is 1 minus 3. You know very well this. Expand this determinant along the R1. So 6 minus plus 1 into 6 minus 6 or is equal to 0. This implies that 2x minus y minus 12 plus 3 is equal to 0, or that is the 2x minus y or minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the straight line. Yes, take adjoint of a matrix. Here, that is the given matrix A. Now we verify the result. A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A should be equal to this. So therefore, first of all, we find the value of the that A, and after that we find the value of the adjoint of A. इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर अगर हम देखें तो इसे पूरे टॉपिक को कवर कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर हम एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए निकालना सीखेंगे और मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन आप लोग ऑलरेडी जानते ही हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द दैट इज सेज डेट ए. डेट ए शुड बी इक्वल टू 1 minus 1 or that is 2, 3 0 minus 2 1 0 or 3. This is equal to, अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो that is expanded along the first row 1 into this 0 or plus 1, 3 3 is 9 or plus 2 or plus 2 into this that is 0 or 9 to 11 is equal to 11. This is the value of the that A. Now we find the cofactor. देखिए cofactor हम लोग इसके कैसे निकालेंगे. That is A11, A12 और A13 और A that is A21, A22, these are the cofactor of the first row. So we get this into this, or that is 0, or that is 339, or plus 2 11, or that is also 0. Now cofactor of the second row, तो हम यहाँ पर इसमें सेकेंड रो को हम छुपा लेंगे, डिलीट कर देंगे, और फर्स्ट रो -3 और दिस इंटू दिस 0, तो दैट इज -3, और सेकेंड रो 3 बन जा 3, और दिस इंटू दिस 2, दैट इज 1, और दैट इज 0, और माइनस माइनस प्लस 1. नाउ फाइंड द कोफैक्टर ऑफ द थर्ड रो. देखिए कैसे, थर्ड रो हमने छुपा ली, और दैट इज द फर्स्ट कॉलम, तो दिस इंटू दिस प्लस के 2, और दिस 0, और दिस इंटू दिस दैट इज -2 और -6, this is equal to -8, or now this into this 0 or -3, that is plus k3. Now once again we check the cofactors, that is this into this 0, or that is 339, or plus 2 11, or that is 0. Again you see the cofactor of the second row. देखिए सेकंड रो को हमने डिलीट किया, और इधर से फर्स्ट कॉलम को, तो 10 -3 दिस इंटू दिस 0, that is 3 1 जा 3, और -2 that is 1, और this is this into this आपका सेकंड रो, और this into this 0, माइनस माइनस प्लस के 1, थर्ड रो के this into this plus 2, or that is -2, or -6 -8, or that is 3. Okay, but these are the minor. To find the cofactor we change the sign, that is 1 plus 1, even number, no change, 1 2 change, that is say आपका 11 आया है, तो that is -11, or that is 0, that is +3, no change, that is -1, 3 1, no change, or that is change. So therefore we write the value of the adjoint of A, or adjoint of A is the transpose matrix of the cofactor. देखिए ये आपका फर्स्ट रो थी, that is फर्स्ट रो, और फर्स्ट रो की कोफैक्टर हमने लिखे कॉलम में, तो दिस इज 0 -11 0, that is 3 1, or -1, or that is 2 8 3, 2 8 or 3. So this is the value of the adjoint of A. Now we find that A हमारा 11 है. Now we find this A into adjoint of A. अगर हम दोनों मैट्रिक्स की मल्टीप्लाई करें, तो we get here A into adjoint of A is equal to, that is 1 3 1, -1 0 0, or 2 -2, or 3, or that is adjoint of A 0 -11 0, or 3 1 -1 2 8 and 3. Now multiply of these two matrices, that is proved by column, that is this into this 0, this into this 11. Now R1 C1 R1 C2, that is 3, that is -1 और +2 0 आ गया, that is 2 1 जा 2, और -8 और +2, this is also 0. Now 3 0 0, that is 0, 3 3 is 9, 0 or 2, 11. Similarly, we find the 0 and so on 0 or that is 11. और this is equal to, अगर हम लोग यहाँ देखें तो इसमें डेट ए की वैल्यू हम देखें तो 11 हमने पूरी मैट्रिक्स से कॉमन लिया तो वी गेट दिस इज ए 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 और दिस इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ द डेट ए और इनटू आई. नाउ सिमिलरली यहाँ से देखिए इसके बाद ये है आपका सिमिलरली वी कैन फाइंड हम निकाल सकते हैं एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इंटू ए इट ऑल्सो वी गेट डेट ए इंटू आई और therefore we can see that for every square matrix a into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A or into A should be equal to that A into I. It is true for every matrix और इसका हमने आर्टिकल भी आपको प्रूव कराया था. Yes. Now, inverse of a matrix. देखिए एक स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स का ही इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट करता है. अभी एग्जिस्ट करेगा या नहीं करेगा इट इज डिपेंड ऑन द टाइप ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. We know that if a square matrix is non-singular, then its inverse is exists. Or to find the matrix, it may be a singular or a non-singular. We test the value of the that A. So therefore, first of all, we find the value of the that A 2 1 3 is equal to expanded along to the first row, that is -1 or -1 into 4 or that is plus 3 this into this 8 और भाई ये आ गया आपका that is again -7. This is equal to -2 -4 8 में 7 गया 1 और that is plus के 3 और this is equal to अगर देखा जाए तो -3 और not equal to 0 और this implies that A inverse is exists. Now we find here the cofactor of this matrix. हम देखिए इसके cofactors कैसे निकालेंगे. We find the cofactor of the matrix कैसे. That is A11 or A12 A13 A21 A22 A23 that is A31 A32 or A33. First of all, we find the minor of the first, second and third row. देखिए अगर हम तो this into this -1. Now this into this 4. Now this into this 8 or -7, that is 1. Now the minor of second row, that is 1 into 1 or -6, that is -5. Next A22 2 1 ja 2 or that is 2 or plus 7 3 ja 21 is equal to 23, that is 23. Now 2 to the 4 or minus or that is plus 7, that is 11. Now we find the cofactor of the third row. Now this into this or this +3 और that is this into this 0 और -12 और अगर हम यहाँ देखें -2 और -4 that is -6. These are the minor of the matrix A. We convert these in the cofactor, that is minus, plus, minus, plus, or 2 1 3 plus, no change, minus, no change, or that is change. So therefore we write the matrix A inverse is equal to adjoint of A or divided by determinant A, or therefore we write the value of the inverse matrix A inverse is equal to the matrix is -1, that is -4, or that is 1, that is 5, or 23, or that is -11, 3, or that is 12, or -6. देखिए, this is the value of the inverse matrix. Now verify that A inverse into A should be equal to identity matrix. इससे हमारे दो फायदे यहाँ होंगे कि हमें अपने आंसर की चेकिंग भी हो जाएगी। अगर रियली में ये दोनों की प्रोडक्ट आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स आएगी तो योर आंसर इज करेक्ट, और अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है, वेरिफिकेशन नहीं होता, इट मीन्स योर आंसर इज रॉन्ग. तो देयरफॉर वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द A inverse or into A. So A inverse into A is equal to -1, 5, 3, -4, 23, 1, -11, -6. That is the value of A. 2, 1, 3, 4, -1 or 0, -7, 2 or 1. You know very well, multiplication of the matrix is row by column. अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो that is -2 और +20, -2 +20 और -21. तो that is अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर -2 और +20 और -21, और that is -1 और -5 -5 और that is +6 0 and so on. तो here we get, यहाँ पर हमारे पास आ जाएगी वैल्यू ये, that is again we see -3 और that is 0 और +3 0 आ गया मुझे, और that is -8 और 23, -8 और 4 3 12 और 4 2 जा 8 और 1 9 और -84 should be also equal to 0. और अगर हम इसको देखें तो -4 -23 +24, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 3 आ गया आपका ये, -3 and 0 and also we get -3, और दिस इज इक्वल टू, दैट इज अगर हम लोग देखें तो A इनवर्स इंटू A, यहाँ पर A inverse into A is equal to that of A, or that is A inverse, or A inverse is equal to adjoint -k 1/3, or that is A inverse is equal to minus k 1 by 3, or that is equal to minus k 1 by 3. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon this. So this is equal to minus minus plus k3, or this is the 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1, or minus 3 is equal to identity matrix. Similarly we find, बिल्कुल ठीक इसी तरह से हम निकाल सकते हैं. Similarly we can find A into A inverse is equal to I, or therefore A into A inverse is equal to A inverse A is equal to I. This the result is true.